It's recording.
Okay. We're going into a nature trail, you guys. I hope you guys like it.
We would go on the lower one, but it's closed.
Yeah. And I think the lower one takes shorter.
No, it's actually longer, and it's not so easy, it says.
It is?
This is around Apple Hill, everybody.
Yeah, you guys like Apple Hill? Because I do.
All right. Again, this is
Nah.
Danilo and Matthew.
Yep. You guys know us from YouTube, of course. We're going to put this video on YouTube.
I think they know because this is on YouTube.
Well, that's good. Don't run with iPad.
No, he said that we have to hurry.
Okay, we can walk.
Oh, what's up? And Bella.
I guess. It's a really fun nature trail, actually. And we're not going to go any ways you want to go, Bella.
Yeah, we would go the long way, but we have to hurry up.
Yeah, my dad said we have to bring this iPad back. And by the way, this is Matthew, Danilo, and Bella. You might know her from when she's the one that videotaped the BTR chat.
Not both of them, only the first one.
Yeah. The first one was better, I think.
Yeah, it was.
How about every time we stop at you pointed at? Like right there. Oh, and get down.
Oh, cool.
Dude, wouldn't that be cool to go on a long trail and videotape?
Yeah, but we can't go on the long trail because we have to hurry.
Oh, a sign. What does the sign say?
Nature trail. This is where most of the mountain lions would come out.
Yeah, but I guess
We saw a mountain lion once, but we put up our hands and it went away. This is my third time going on the trail.
Me too. It's both of ours. Because we both went at the same time. We didn't go just at one time.
The long one is 20 minutes. This one is probably like 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's okay.
What? Why do you want to go on the long one? We have to hurry.
This is a really fun nature trail. Oh, I just stepped in really muggy mud. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. I hate mud. Look at that trail. Cool.
Which way should we go?
This way. This one's faster.
All right, this way.
Maybe this is the faster way.
We usually go on this way. We never went on that way yet.
No.
Over there.
Too dangerous. We always go on this way because it's faster. What? So all you out there, do you know what? When we were out there, we heard a scream from that one, so we don't know if it was real mountain lions. And I heard an actual sound that sounded like a mountain lion. So you never know. And there's another hole.
This is only our third time.
It is?
Yeah.
I'm just exaggerating. How long has it taken?
Do you want to hold it? She could hold it. It's okay. What if it wasn't even videotaping? That would be so weird.
And we wasted all our time.
Yeah, and then we had to go around again.
Oh my gosh, that would be fun.
Sort of, but then we might get in trouble because he said we have to go quick.
We're going in the dark side.
See that trail? Leads out to here.
Yeah.
Bella, can we get close to that sign? Can we get close to that sign? Should we go through the long trail or the short trail?
Short. We have to.
That's the long trail. That's the short trail. We're going on the short trail. stickers and everything. And no, not stickers like the stickers that say good job. Stickers like those type of things.
What?
And tons of thorn bushes.
Come on, though, let's hurry. We're almost home.
Thorn bushes, maybe. Well, I mean, I don't know what it is, but I did see some spikes and stuff. I'm not.
Matthew, are you gonna drive back with Carrie?
No. No. Why?
So you have some fly in the car.
I don't want to look.
Here, guys. Daniela.
What?
You can video stop it?
No.
Oh.
No, don't just keep going until we get back.
Oh, I just stopped. All right, this is the end of the nature trail.
So we're gonna stop it.
Thanks
Thanks.
for watching.
Okay.
Oh, and this is the parking lot, by the way.